Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom at or reach breaking point, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is reach a stage at which someone or something loses control over a situation and can no longer deal with their problems. COVID-19 became a global crisis in the year 2020. At its peak, hospitals were overrun and frontline workers were stretched to their limit. Things are beginning to get too much for everyone here at the hospital. I think we're reaching breaking point. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The reporter did a story on public transport in the city. Without any extra routes and an extended rail system, transport is at breaking point. The young woman felt betrayed by her boyfriend when she found out he had been lying to her. My relationship is at breaking point. I need to leave him. People in the area have made a number of reports to the police about antisocial behavior. People in the area, especially parents, are reaching breaking point. We have to act now. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The company went through an incredibly tough time during the recession. We're at breaking point. We won't survive if things are the same next year. After their most recent run-in, the employee was getting frustrated with working under their manager. I feel like I'm reaching breaking point. I might start looking for a new job. The political party disagreed with how the government was dealing with the crisis. The people are at breaking point. This is completely unacceptable. Where did you hear the expression at or reaching breaking point? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to English Logica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.